Hello, this is Tim from Hidden Meadow Farm. Getting ready to do some fence clearing, and to do that, I've got to get my chainsaw in shape. So I'm going to show you a hack on how to sharpen your chainsaw using your cordless drill and a chainsaw file. Now this is real simple to do. First of all, you get your chainsaw situated. I haven't tightened the chain up, I'll tighten it up. You need a chainsaw file, and you're going to have to cut it or break it. You're going to need a piece about that long to do this. All you do to sharpen it, put it in your drill. And what you want to do, you've probably seen the automatic ones. I think Granberg makes one. There's several different companies that make a chainsaw file, electric one. But this is a simple way to do it if you don't have that, or if you're out in the field working, you don't want to hand file it, which most time I do hand file mine, but this is a simple way to do it. Just take your file, you want about that much, probably 3 inches. Put it in your drill and put it in the way that you would normally file. This is the other section here. You see I broke it off there. I got the broke end up there, so if it were all intact it would be like that. Have the handle on this way, and you would actually file going away from you. So in order for that to work on this drill, the way you do that, run your drill in reverse. So it's spinning in reverse. Then all you do is just simply do it just like you would a regular chainsaw file. You just start, get it to the right angle that you've got, and just probably do better if I had my chain a little bit tighter. That's just a simple, easy way to sharpen your chainsaw using your electric cordless drill. Hope you like this. I ask you to please like, share, subscribe. See you next time on Hidden Meadow Farm.